Verifika not only detects errors, but also provides a search and replace function, which we will review in this video. To open the search and replace window, click the search button at the top right. Verifika's search capabilities are quite powerful. First off, there are several search modes. As we can see, source and target text are found is selected by default. It's helpful when you need to search for segments that contain a certain source text which has a specific translation. You can edit the incorrect translation directly in the search results. The replace function also allows you to quickly replace the search phrase with a new piece of text. Enter the replacement text into the Replace With field. The updated segment will appear in the Replace Preview field. Make sure the change is correct and click Apply. To modify all segments at once, click Replace All. Let's continue. Another way to find all segments that use an incorrect translation for a certain phrase is to switch to the Source Text is Found but Target Text is Not mode. Let's replace the translation of our phrase with the correct one and click the Find button. The search result contains more occurrences with incorrect translations, so this way you can find all segments that do not contain the specified translation. The next mode is Target Text is Found, but Source Text is not. It allows you to check if the specified translation was used for another source phrase and correct errors, if any. Different amount of text is found in Source and Target combines the results of the two previous modes, and also will return segments where, for example, the term was used twice in the source text, but only once in the translation. In any mode, you can fill out only one search field. Use the buttons at the end of the text fields to set up additional conditions. Let's consider each of these buttons using the word print as an example. The C button enables case-sensitive search. The search results will include all occurrences where the word is spelled exactly as provided. In our case, it means the word will start with a capital letter. The T button enables tags to be taken into account. Please note that you need to enter the full tag text, as it is displayed when long tags option is on. You can also search for words directly contained in tags. Let's continue. The W button enables searching for whole words only. Therefore, words that contain print as a part, such as printing, will not be included in the search results. You can select more than one button simultaneously. For example, if you turn on case sensitivity, you will get all segments where print is used as a whole word and is all lowercase. The R button allows you to use regular expressions. They can make your search more general. Imagine that you need to make sure that the translation of terms in parentheses is not also in quotation marks. The following regular expression will return all incorrectly formatted terms. Please note that if your regular expression uses incorrect syntax, the invalid regex sign appears underneath. If the regular expression is correct but does not return the results you need, you can check the expression using special services, like this one. To quickly remove quotation marks from the translation in parentheses, enter another regular expression into the Replace With field. Make sure the suggested modifications are correct in all segments, then click Replace All. The P button enables advanced search. In this mode, you can use Boolean operators, or, and not. For example, if you separate two words with a space, which represents Boolean and, you will get segments that contain both words. If you replace the space with or, you will get all segments that contain either of these two words. If you put a minus sign, which represents Boolean not, before one of the words, you will get all segments that do not contain this word but do contain the other. To check all changes you made, switch to the Pending Changes tab. Remember, you need to click the Save Changes button to commit the changes directly into the bilingual files. Additionally, you can use any search conditions as user-defined checks and save them in a profile for future use. To use Search and Replace from the Report window, just switch to the Search tab. Please note that you can export search results to an Excel file just like you export all other report types. To do this, click the Export button and select Export Search Results. That's all for now. Now you know how to use the Search and Replace function in Verifika. Look for more exciting features in the next videos.